CPPD, Chemical Process Plant Design and Economics. Unit number 1 and topic છે optimizations. The whole optimizations, then detail the optimum designs in a two part. First one is the optimum economic design and second one is the optimum operation design. Okay, so start with the lecture. In a previous lecture, the feasibility survey in a plant design, in also basic considerations. In a previous lecture already done. The most important point for optimizations in also optimum economic design and then optimum operation designs. So start કરીશું. The first of all, the what is optimizations? Optimizations આવશે the computer aided process synthesis માં simply the some software for it is most effective or highest achievable performance under the given constraint by a maximized design to factor and a minimizing undesired factor. Important word, which one? The maximum to minimum desired factor is called as the optimizations. Then the optimum design for a simply any examples for as a chemical reactions there are several alternative method can be used for any given process, any operations. Okay, simply the optimum design can be the chemical reactions, simply CO plus H2. Okay, CO plus H2, the which reactions and NaCl also. Sodium chloride plus H2 gives the sodium hydroxide plus Cl2. These are some reactions. Then other reactions for a CO and H2, the special condition for a catalyst for a any process, and each of these process contain maybe the possible any alternative involving variable such as the gas mixture compositions. Okay, then the CO plus H2 gives the any formaldehyde HCHO can be produced by catalytic dehydrations any methanol by the controlled oxidations of natural gases. Okay, simply the chemical reactions are several alternative method which can be used for any given process or any operations. The formaldehyde can be produced by the catalytic dehydrogenations of methanol by controlled oxidation natural gases by a direct reaction C2NH2, then under the specified conditions of the catalyst for any temperature and pressures. Okay, then it is almost every case encountered for a chemical engineering for several alternative method can be used for any given process, any operations. For example, જો આપણે formaldehyde then can be each of these process for contain many possibilities of for alternative involving variables such as the gas mixture composition, temperature, pressure, and the choice of catalyst. It is the responsibility of the chemical engineer in these cases of choose the best process and to incorporate into the design the equipment and the method that will be best result. Okay, to meet these need various aspects of this chemical engineering. The plant design optimizations are described for in this process and economic operations and economic design. For previous lecture માં આપણે એના બધા સ્ટેપ જોઈ ગયા હતા કે how to plant design and factor affecting આપણે જોઈશું. Then each of this process contains for many possibilities alternative involving the variables such as gas mixture compositions, temperature, choice of catalyst. Okay, જે એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે જોઈશું તે આ પ્રમાણે છે. Okay, this is the optimum design. In also in this part for optimum economic design શોર્ટ નોટ માટે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ 3 માર્ક માટે ને ઓવરઓલ થિયરીના 7 માર્ક્સ. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ફોર determining the pipe diameter when the pumping a given amount of fluid from one point to another point. Okay, so if there are two or more methods for obtaining exactly equivalent final result, the preferred method is the one involving the list of total cost. Okay, so by using different types of the pipe diameter, and the choose diameter gives the least total cost, and then the total cost involve cost for pumping in a diameter for a cost of installing charge. Okay, this is one typical example for optimum economic design for a lies determining pipe diameter used when the pumping a given amount of the fluid from one point to another point. The total cost involved for pumping and a lie for cost installing mate. Then the total cost involved થાય છે જોવાનું છે. Then here the small same final result for a fluid pump. એ આપણે ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમ કરવા જોઈશે. This one importance graph, and this is accomplished by using an infinite number of this diameter, the different pipe diameter. However, the economic balance will show that one particular pipe diameter gives the least total cost. The total cost include the cost for pumping the liquid and the cost of the fixed charge. Okay, the total cost including the install of the piping system. Okay, then a main discussion about the determined optimum economic pipe diameter for a graphical system in a optimum economic design. A graphically representation the showing the meaning of an optimum economic pipe diameter, and presented the figure the cost per year of length versus the pipe diameter. Okay, the optimum economic pipe diameter for a constant mass throughout the rate જેનો ગ્રાફ છે એ ફિગરમાં કમ્પ્લીટલી ફર્ધર શું કરો. And the pumping cost increase with decrease the size of pipe diameter because of the fractionation effect. Which effect? For a fixed charge based on the capital investment for an installed pipe, then the total cost and the cost for a pumping જે optimum economic pipe diameter નો આપ્યો છે. Okay, which is the pumping cost increase with the pipeline become lower than smaller pipe diameter are used because of the reduced capital investment. The optimum economic diameter is located in the sum of the pumping cost and the fixed cost. જે આપણે cost flow diagram જોવાના છે એને કહેશું ઓલ્સો કેશ ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ, જેમાં સ્ટેક હોલ્ડરને આપણે જે કેટલી વસ્તુ પરચેસ કરે છે માર્કેટિંગમાં એની કેટલું બધું યુઝ છે એનું બેનિફિટ કેટલું છે એ જોઈશું. Then the optimum economic diameter is located where the sum of the pumping cost and the fixed cost for the pipeline become a minimum signs of this representative point of the list of cost. In the this point represented by the this E point જે આ રહ્યો છે ડોટેડ લાઈનમાં બતાવ્યું છે ને. Which one? Total cost and the fixed charge based on the capital investment for a installed pipe, cost for pumping, and the E line. For which one? E line is the since for a represent the point of least total cost. The point is represented by this E. Okay. Then the chemical engineering for a selected final design the basics of the conditions for giving the least total cost. In many cases for a higher alternative design do not give the final products or result that are exactly equivalent, the becomes of necessary to consider when the engineer speaks for any optimum economic design, any operation design. Is ordinarily means the least expensive one selected from a number of equivalent design cost data to assist in making this decision are represented for this diagram graphical system. જે આપણે જોયું છે કોસ્ટ પર યર વર્સિસ ઓફ પાઇપ ડાયામીટર, the optimum economic pipe diameter and a cost for pumping for a total cost and a fixed charge based on the capital investment for installing pipe. Okay, so first of all the optimization, the maximum desired to minimum desired undesired factor for a highest achievable, and the optimum design જોયું આપણે જેમાં આપણે ફોર્માલિટીહાઇડનું એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું અને સોડિયમ ક્લોરાઇડનું એક્ઝામ્પલ જોયું છે. and the two types of this method for optimum economic design and optimum operation design for a graphical system મેં જોયું આપણે cost per year length versus pipe diameter નો ગ્રાફ. હવે જોઈશું આપણે નેક્સ્ટ optimum operation design. The various types of optimum economic requirement may be encountered when a design work from example and I choose the design maximum profit per unit time, minimum total cost per unit production. Okay, this is a revision part. Optimum operation design આપણે next lecture માં જોઈશું. First of all the overall revision part. The first point, plant design and project engineering, my basic consideration. The first point છે reason for allocating plant. Nearness to raw material and transportation facilities, selection of the process, optimum design, cost estimation, quality policy, proper control system. This is one all point. Then the proper control system, equipment design, process identifications, intensifications, simulation of the process, market survey, process design development, process development, and also computer aided design for this profitability analysis or investment. Then આપણે feasibility survey જોયા હતા. Raw material availability, quality, quantity, thermodynamics and kinetics of the chemical reactions involve the equilibrium, yield, optimizations, conditions. Okay, this is a thermodynamics and kinetic reactions માં ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સેકન્ડ ઓર્ડર રિએક્શન જોવાનું રહેશે કે જે રિએક્શન થાય છે એમાં આપણે આ કાર્ય કરી શકાય છે નહીં તે જોવાનું રહેશે. The facilities and equipment available. Okay, any facilities and equipment available at present for any equipment which must be purchased for estimation of production cost and invested for a profit probability for a optimization માટે. Okay, then the market of the construction safety consideration માં આપણે અલગ અલગ પોઈન્ટ જોઈ ગયા હતા જેના મેઇન ફેક્ટર 2 અને બીજા 4 ફેક્ટર હતા. માર્કેટમાં પ્રેઝન્ટ અને ફ્યુચર શું છે એનું તેવી જોવાનું રહેશે. સપ્લાય કરવું કેવી રીતે કરવું, ડિમાન્ડ કેવી રીતે કરવી, પ્રેઝન્ટનો એનો યુઝ કેટલો છે એ જોવાનું રહેશે. properties of this product for a chemical and also physical properties for a sales and sales service for a selling part, and shipping restrictions of the containers, the plant location, pattern, situation and legal restriction માટે. A technical economic factor of the proposed should be examined. Okay, then જોયું આપણે optimization. Optimization is the most of effective or highest achievable performance જે કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે ફોર મેક્સિમમ ડિઝાયર્ડ ટુ અનડિઝાયર્ડ ફેક્ટર. એન્ડ ધ ઓપ્ટિમમ ડિઝાઇન ઇઝ ધ chemical. There are the several alternative methods which can be used for any given process or operations. The formaldehyde can be produced by the catalytic dehydrogenation of the any methanol by control the oxidation in all natural processes. Okay, CO plus H2 લખશો તમે, CO plus H2 તો HCHO है ना, इज अ फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. બે હાઇડ્રોજન, એક કાર્બન અને એક ઓક્સિજન. તો ફોર્મલ્ડિહાઇડ આપણે પ્રોડ્યુસ થશે, જે રિએક્શન્સ આપણે જોયું એ જ રીતે આ બીજી રિએક્શન્સ છે NaCl પ્લસ H2O. તો શું થશે, H2O માંથી શું થશે, H પ્લસ અને OH માઇનસ. તો Na પ્લસ અને OH માઇનસની ભેગા કરીએ તો આપણને NaOH મળશે અને Cl2 છે. ઓકે, અને બેલેન્સિંગ કરી નાખો તો આપણને કમ્પ્લીટલી એ મળશે. જેના ઓપ્ટિમમ ઇકોનોમિક ડિઝાઇન જોયું આપણે ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમ દ્વારા. એમાં કોસ્ટ પર યર ઓફ લેન્થ, એમાં ટોટલ કોસ્ટ, ફિક્સ કોસ્ટ ચાર્જ છે અને પાઇપ ડાયામીટર, જે ઓપ્ટિમમ ઇકોનોમિક પાઇપ ડાયામીટર પર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ઓલ ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ફોર ઓપ્ટિમાઇઝેશન્સ. ઓપ્ટિમમ ઇકોનોમિક ડિઝાઇન જોયું, એમાં આપણે જઈશું નેક્સ્ટ ઓપ્ટિમમ ઓપરેશન ડિઝાઇન્સ નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.